Hi guys, today's episode is going to be about greetings. Greetings. This is episode 2 about greetings. So, how to say specific things for specific occasions or what to say in specific occasions. For example, someone's sick. So, for example, there's a holiday. The holidays are coming. So, we will learn this. Just a quick announcement. If you're looking for a teacher, I teach one on one. My email address is alaa.arabictutor@gmail.com. And in my shop, Aralola on Etsy, I have created, aside from men and women accessories stuff, I have created a workbook because someone asked me for books. So I have created my first workbook. It's very, very helpful for people who want to learn the basics. It has about 64 sentences to work on, 7 different topics. It's very organized and easy to look at. It's not overwhelmed or anything. um, and it's very, very helpful, and it has all the answers in the end. So it's only $4.99 for now. It's less than a cup of coffee. So if you are interested, just go to my shop and you can get the book. It's digital, so once you buy it you will have it. Okay, so let's start. Greetings. So for specific occasions, for example, if someone's sick, you will say salamtak. Salamtak. So that's for a male. For a female, salamtek. Salamtek. So salamtak, salamtek. The response is Allah يسلمك. So that's if you are a female, the response is going to be Allah يسلمك. Now, if you are a male, the response is going to be Allah يسلمك. So if you notice, we added ak to the end of the words for a male and ik to the end of the words for a female. So salamtak, male, salamtik, female. Allah يسلمك, male, Allah يسلمك, female. Okay, now we have a lot of other occasions where we use the word salam in the middle. So whenever you hear it, the response is going to be the same. Allah يسلمك or Allah يسلمك. So, for example, someone is back from a travel uh, situation, surgery, or any big occasions like that, and they are back safely. So you would say Hamdillah ala il salame. Hamdillah ala il salame. So Hamdillah basically means thank God. Ala al salame is like thank God you came back safely. So Hamdillah as salame. It doesn't matter if it's a male or a female. And the response, as I said before, is going to be the same. Allah salmak or Allah salmek for a female. Allah salmak for a male. Allah salmek for a female. So again, you would say Hamdillah ala al salame. Hamdillah al salame. Okay. Now another one is if someone is going to travel or going to do a surgery or going to do something big, you would say بالسلامة. بالسلامة. So بالسلامة is like with safety. Like I hope you do it with peace and safety. So that's when they do, like when they are going to do it. So you say بالسلامة. So our response is going to be the same. Allah يسلمك or Allah يسلمك. So for now, we learned Hamdillah as-salame after travel or being sick or surgery. Bil salame, they're going to travel or surgery or something huge like that, like it has something to do with safety. Salamtik when they are sick. And the response for all of them is Allah salmak or Allah salmek, male and female. Okay, now other things, the holidays. When there are holidays, you would say كل عام وانتو بخير. كل عام وانتو بخير. So كل عام like every year وانتو and you بخير like good. Like every year you are like I hope every year you're feeling good and well. So كل عام وانتو بخير. Okay. There's another way to say it. It's exactly the same, just different words. Some people say كل سنة وانتي سالمة. كل سنة وانتي سالمة. So now for this one, كل سنة وانتي سالمة, the response is going to be like before, right? Allah يسلمك or Allah يسلمك. Also you can say وانتو سالمين. كل عام وانتو بخير وانتو بخير. So that basically means like back to you. So say it slowly. كل عام وانتو بخير. If you notice there's a pronoun in the middle which is into. So if you're talking to a group, say into. If you're talking to a male, وانت. If you're talking to a female, وانتي. So كل عام وانت بخير. كل عام وانتو بخير. كل عام وانتي بخير. The response وانتي بخير. So انتي started with a pronoun. I like assuming I'm talking to a woman. وانتي بخير. A male وانت بخير. A group وانتو بخير. Now back to the other sentence, you might say كل سنة وانت سالم. كل سنة وانتو سالمين for a group. كل سنة وانتي سالمة for a female. كل سنة وانت سالم male. كل سنة وانتي سالمة female. كل سنة وانتو سالمين for a group. And the response is وانت سالم for a male وانتي سالمة for a female. So this one might be slightly harder because it has a lot going on, but كل عام وانتو بخير might be easier because you just have to be aware of the pronoun. Now, another few things. For example, you want to say congratulations. So you say مبروك. مبروك. Congratulations, مبروك. And the response is Allah يبارك فيك for a male. Allah يبارك فيكي for a female. So what I added is the ending. For the very last word, I just added E to the end when I talk to a female. So Allah يبارك فيك. Allah يبارك فيكي. So that's the response for مبروك, which means congratulations. Okay, now a few other things, really small words here and there, just to be nice, to learn like how we talk to each other if, someone is coming over or, So if you are inviting someone for something or you want to offer tea, coffee, offer something to someone, we use the word اتفضل. اتفضل. So for a male, you say اتفضل. For a female, you say تفضلي. تفضل. تفضلي. Now, after you finish eating, if someone like you invite someone to eat or someone finished eating and you were there, you would tell them or say to them صحتين. صحتين. So صحتين, it's also have something to do with health, like you ate, have good health and things like that. It's just something nice we say. The response shukran. You might, a lot of you know the word shukran, which means thank you, and the response is afwan, but you don't have to say sahtain, shukran, afwan, like this is a lot. Just sahtain after they finish eating and they say shukran. That's it. Um, Sharafna basically means when you meet someone for the first time, not someone you already know, just someone for the first time. You say Sharafna. It's like nice to meet you. So Sharafna. And you just say shukran. Now, after all, if someone says something like that to you and you don't know the response, the safest way to respond is just say shukran. This is the easiest way, and that's still nice because you're learning, and shukran just means thank you. So yes, that works as well. So yes, I hope this helps. If you like it, subscribe and check my shop in Etsy Aralola, and send me an email if you're looking for a teacher. Thank you so much and have a great day.